Hello everyone, welcome back to the only tech channel where we don't just review products, we make sure you understand what actually matters for you. Today we're diving into 4 smart home devices from a brand called EZVIZ. This has been quietly dominating the scene. If you are building a smart secure home or just tired of dealing with cheap tech that does not deliver, this one's for you. Let's start with a product that literally guards your entry point. The EZVIZ DL05 Smart Lock. Do you still eye your keys under the doormat or flower pot? It's 2025, let's not. The EZVIZ DL05 Smart Lock turns your front door into a fortress, but one that opens only for you. You get 7 unlocking methods: fingerprint, passcode, RFID card, Bluetooth via the app, mechanical key, and even temporary codes. And you also get a remote control. So if your mom's coming to visit while you're stuck in traffic, boom! One tap on the app and she's inside the home. Don't even worry about the battery anxiety. It runs on 8 AA batteries and still it gives you low battery warning. Plus, you can emergency charge it via Type-C. And yes, it's waterproof, IP65 rated. So don't worry about Kathmandu rain or Delhi dust. Anything is doable. Additionally, 50 users capacity means your entire joint family or your dog's walker can get access. And the anti-tamper alarm, it'll scream before anyone even tries to break in. This is not just a lock, it's your first step to a better smart security. Now let's come to the EZVIZ H6 Pro 2K Indoor. If you're thinking of an indoor camera but want something smarter than just a CCTV feed, the H6 Pro 2K is criminally underrated. 2304 by 1296 resolution means no pixelated interior faces. It detects motion, human shape, and even loud noises. So whether your baby cries or someone sneaks in, you get an alert instantly. The 3D DNR and digital WDR ensures clean video even in low light. This is something most creators do not test, but it's real, and with 512 GB of SD card support, you won't be deleting clips every other day. Wi-Fi and LAN port, that's versatility. And yes, it talks to your phone, so you don't need to be tech savvy to understand all of this. Now let's go to the EZVIZ H86 Pro 2K. This is more of an outdoor camera. This camera is not just a CCTV camera. It's a literal neighborhood watch, that too on steroids. This is a pan and tilt beast. 350-degree pan, 80-degree tilt, so yes, one camera can cover your entire front or your parking lot. And additionally, with AI, human and vehicle detection, it does not just guess, it knows what's moving. Auto tracking, it follows intruders like a movie scene. Now the footage is 2K plus and 2560x1440 of resolution. Sharp enough to see not just the face, but probably their whole intention. And bro, the night vision is up to 30 meters. IR plus smart alerts, two-way talk. If someone's stealing your scooter, you can shout at them while recording proof. Get off my scooter! It handles minus 30 degrees to plus 40 degrees Celsius. So whether you live in Darjeeling or Delhi, this camera survives it all. Now let's talk on a budget section. What if you are a student or just want a smart cam under budget? The H1C is your entry point. Compact, affordable, but still packs a serious punch. It gives you 1080p, full HD, 108-degree diagonal view. Perfect for a bedroom, study room, or even a small shop counter. You still get motion detection, two-way talk, IR night vision, and 512 GB of card support. All of that in a device that weighs less than your phone. This isn't a toy cam, it's a full-fledged smart device made for everyday folks who need security without spending above 10,000 rupees. Here's the thing. We talk a lot about smart homes like it's the future, but EZVIZ is building that stuff that makes it happen now. Whether you're in a flat in Bombay or a home in Bhaktapur, or even a cafe in Pokhara, the DL05 guards your door. H6 Pro watches your room. H8C Pro keeps the outside covered. And finally, the H1C protects your space on a budget. And they all talk to the EZVIZ app. So the entire security network of your home is right there on your phone. So if you're serious about security, this lineup is underrated and underpriced. Check the links below for the best prices in Nepal. And as always, don't just buy tech. Buy what makes sense for you. Alright, see you in the other one. You've seen me before, you'll see me again. This is Susan Corner signing off. Bye bye.